Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful upgrades for the digital tools you probably use every single day. And these aren't just small tweaks, they're actually changing the game in how our software can help us out. So let's get right into it. Just think about it for a second. What if the apps on your phone could do way more than you ever thought possible? Like, what if they could actively teach you something new, protect your privacy like a fortress, and just simplify your life in ways you haven't even imagined? Well, we're about to look at 5 tools that are doing exactly that. All right, first up, Google Translate. We all know it, right? It's a total lifesaver when you're traveling or trying to figure out a website in another language. But what if it could actually teach you to speak that language instead of just translating for you? Well, a new beta feature called Practice is trying to do just that. This upgrade is a huge shift in thinking. I mean, we're moving from a passive tool that just spits out an answer to an active partner that actually helps you learn. It's not just about getting from A to B in a conversation anymore, it's about learning the route yourself. So, how does it actually work? It's brilliantly simple. You pick a real-world scenario, like ordering food or asking for directions, or you can even make your own. Then you just tell the app your skill level, and boom, it creates these personalized quizzes to get you practicing. It's honestly like having a personal tutor right in your pocket. Now, since this is still in beta, there are a few things you gotta keep in mind. For now, you can only practice French and Spanish. And the welcome screen does mention a trial period, which, that strongly hints this could become a paid feature down the line, maybe as part of Google's other AI subscriptions. And you'll notice it borrows a little from apps like Duolingo, tracking your goals and words to keep you motivated. And that same idea of empowerment goes way beyond learning a language. It extends to the very documents we create every day. Our second tool, LibreOffice, is a totally free open-source alternative to Microsoft 365, and its latest update is all about giving you back control over your information. The whole philosophy behind LibreOffice boils down to this one core idea: digital sovereignty. It basically means your data is yours, period. LibreOffice doesn't harvest your personal info, it doesn't track how you use it. Everything runs on your machine, so you're not uploading sensitive stuff to some corporate cloud. In this day and age, that is a massive deal. And hey, this isn't just about principles, it's about performance too. The new version, 25.8, is way faster. We're talking up to 30% quicker when opening documents in Writer and spreadsheets in Calc, so you get all that privacy without having to sacrifice speed. When you put it side by side with the big proprietary suites, the difference is just crystal clear. LibreOffice is 100% free, no subscription fees, ever. It's built from the ground up for privacy, so it never collects your data. And because its code is open source, anyone can check it for security flaws. You get a super powerful Office suite, and you keep total control. Okay, so you've got your digital docs under control, but what about that mountain of paperwork on your desk? Our next tool is all about tackling that paper chaos. Say hello to PDFgear Scan, an app that uses AI to not just scan your documents, but to actually understand them. So you're probably asking, what's the catch? Well, get this. There isn't one. The app is totally free. No ads popping up while you're trying to work, no mandatory signups, no limits on how many pages you can scan. They've literally removed every single barrier to entry. But here's where the real magic happens. This is not just a scanner, it's an assistant. You can scan a super dense contract or pages of notes and then just ask the AI to summarize it, explain a complicated part, or even translate a section for you. It turns a static picture of a page into interactive knowledge. It's so cool. All right, so we've gone from organizing your documents to building your very own digital home. Our fourth tool is Site 123, and it's a website builder designed to get you online with absolutely zero technical headaches. No coding, no design skills required. For real. And it really is this easy, seriously. First, you pick a template that fits what you're doing, a portfolio, a business site, whatever. Second, you upload your own text and images. And third, you hit publish. The platform does all the heavy lifting in the background, letting you go from just an idea to a live website in less than an hour. And this isn't some bare-bones package either. It comes with everything you need right out of the box. The editor is super intuitive, every single site automatically looks great on mobile phones, and they even throw in free hosting and tools to help you show up on Google. Plus, if you ever get stuck, there's 24/7 live chat support. Okay, for our final tool, we are stepping into the world of crypto, but with a really practical spin. Meet Stables, a company that wants to make spending your digital money just as easy as tapping a regular debit card. I mean, this is the fundamental problem they're trying to solve, right? For most people, crypto just lives in a digital wallet somewhere, totally disconnected from the real world. So how do you actually use it for everyday stuff, like buying a coffee? And this is a problem the whole industry is focused on. You have major players like Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire saying things like, the global stablecoin routes are coming together. What he means is that the infrastructure to connect stablecoins, those are the digital currencies tied to something stable like the US dollar, to global payments is being built right now. And Stables is a perfect example of that. And this card isn't just for one kind of person. It's for remote workers who get paid in crypto. It's for businesses making payments all over the world. It's for travelers who want to spend abroad without crazy fees. And yeah, of course, it's for crypto natives who need a smooth way to move between their digital and real-world finances. And the process itself is just incredibly simple. You fund your Stables account with stablecoins like USDC or USDT from over 20 different networks. Then, you just add the virtual card to your Apple or Google wallet, and that's it. You can tap to pay. Your on-chain balance is instantly connected to real-world spending. So when you put it all together, a translator that teaches, an office suite that protects, a scanner that understands, a builder that simplifies, and a card that connects, you start to see this really clear trend. Our tools are evolving. They're becoming more powerful, more accessible, and way more integrated into our lives. Each of these innovations is offering a new way to learn, to work, to create, or to spend. They're solving real-world problems and making some seriously powerful technology available to everyone. So the only question left is, which one are you going to try out first? Thanks for joining us.